Hey folks, if I got a car for you today, this thing is gorgeous. It is meticulous nut and bolt body off frame restored. It's filled with features: Rally Sport, Super Sport, Deluxe houndstooth interior. Under the hood, L-78 396 375 horse motor. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. We're here at the Volo Auto Museum. Go to volocars.com to get all the specs, pricing top to bottom of this car. That's at volocars.com. We have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. We also have shipping, financing, plenty of ways to contact us. Whatever questions, concerns you have, reach out to us. I have a whole staff of people here that's willing and able to help you. So, volocars.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just click on the button right now and you'll be the first to see all these amazing cars as we post them. Let's take this one for a spin. I'm really excited. I actually sold this car 5 years ago. It looks every bit as good now as it did 5 years ago. This thing looks like it just rolled out of the restoration shop this morning. It's that slick. This body is laser straight, has an absolute mirror reflection. It actually looks deep. It looks like you could dive right in there. That clear coat, it's phenomenal. Every piece of trim is new or polished or restored. I just rolled the windows up. They fit perfectly. Even with the windows up, the door closes so easy. It's got spoilers. All this is new. Reverse lights are down below. That's how Rally Sports come. The rear glass is new. Inside, the mesh speaker tray is all new. The trim is all redone. The stainless is nice. Got gorgeous trim. That must be chrome plated or something, because that's not just regular stainless. On Rally wheels, BF Goodrich tires. The wheel well is painted gloss black. Black and white houndstooth interior. Beautiful. Even the seat belts in this car must be new reproduction or restored. They're the correct seat belts, but they're shiny. Has the molded armrest deluxe door panels. It's got a console. There's a secret audio stereo hidden in the console. In the trunk up underneath there is an amplifier and speakers and CD changer. 375 horse L-78 motor. All the codes on the heads, the intake, the casting codes, the dates, all line up to this car. The motor was a month before the car was assembled. That's perfect. When they rebuilt the engine, the deck on the front got machined off. There are numbers and letters on that deck. I don't have the best eyes. You can't really read them, so I can't prove that's the motor for the car, but it is the correct motor, and it might be the original motor. It's got the big square port heads matched up to the big square port aluminum intake. It's got the deep groove pulleys, the GM hoses and clamps, the spring clamp battery cables. It's all there. It's show quality and ready. Underneath the car is all detailed. It has spiral shocks at all four corners like it's supposed to have. Inside here is just painted beautifully. New rubber mat, tire cover. It's a Rally wheel. It matches the rest. Has the jack. Has all painted beautifully. It's got a trunk light. The wire's new. The clip is there. The latch is detailed. Tail light assembly is mint. It's not painted over. Door jambs are just as glossy as the outside. Sill plates, latches, everything is beautiful. The cushions in the seat are new. You're looking at this dash, it's all sparkling. The vents, the knobs, the lenses, the black paint is shiny. It's a beautiful interior as well. Overhead, the headliner and visors are redone and they're mint. The mirror is new and the chrome stem is shiny. The emblems on the seats are shiny. The interior lights work, the console light works. Listen to that sound. That's that 375 horse cam that's in there. Beautiful, look at that. Rust-free bottom of the door. Said the floors are spotless. Yeah, that sounds nice. Honestly, I think I underpriced this car. You never hear me say that in the videos. I think a dealer could buy this car and flip it and make money. So you might want to jump on this one right away. It's gorgeous, it's quality, it's loaded with options. This one checks all the boxes. Turbo 400 trans, 12-bolt rear. Has the curved neck radiator. It is actually, the paint coat is a dash. It's a special ordered paint color. That's all the information I have on that, but it makes it even that much more special and unique. So high quality car, go to volocars.com. Before someone beats you to it, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're posting lots of great cars, so stay tuned. Thank you.